She wants fabulous, that is her simple request. All things fabulous, bigger and better and best. She needs something inspiring to help her get along. She needs a little fabulous, is that so wrong?
내가 끌리는 천만 번째 이유를 내일의 우리는 알지도 몰라.